On this video, let's do the our God is an awesome God. So first I'm gonna play it, and then second I'm gonna break down the song. Right, very simple song. Okay, that's it, the entire song. So first it starts on 4, then you go to 1, right, and then you go to 5, then you go to 6, then you repeat the same thing, go to 4 again, then you go to 1, then 5, instead of going to 6, then you go to 1, no, you go to 6, so you end it here, right? So you start on 4 and then it ends on 6, right? It's 4, it's 1, it's 5, 6, 4, 1, then 4, then it ends right here at 6. Then that's it, the entire progression of the song. Basically using this, it's 4, it's 1, so using 4 chord progressions.